Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and buy NVIDIA stock on Swissquote. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Swissquote website right here, swissquote.com, if you have not already, from where we can get started. So this is going to be the home page. If you're using it on your mobile phone, you can just go ahead and open up the App Store, search for Swissquote, find application and install it. So after installing it, opening it up, this is going to be the home page. From this main page, we can get started. Now, the first thing we need to do, doesn't matter if you're using the application or the web version, what we want to do is to go ahead and log into our account. If you do not already have an account, you can just go ahead and sign up using the sign up button right here. That's going to enable you to create one. So once you've gotten your account ready, you can go and log in. Once you've logged in, now we can get started. You're going to go and be seeing the trade options right here, from where we can get started with accessing stocks. So you want to open up the stocks page, and from the stocks page, search for NVIDIA. As you can see, this is going to be the stocks page, from where we can find NVIDIA on the main page next to SpaceX and other stocks. And basically we can use this stock trading page to go ahead and click the buy button. Once you click on buy, it's going to take you to the Switzerland website or to the rest of the world website, depending from where you're using it. And once you're logged in, you're going to be taken to the NVIDIA Corp page, from where you can get started purchasing your stock. As you can see, I need to go and log in, but once you have done so, you're going to have the sell and buy options that you can use for getting your stock. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care and bye.